A few days ago, we've got news about upcoming improvements for glTF imports into Second Life. In particular, Linden Lab asks creators to provide test data to help improve their rig importer. Specifically, they want the same model exported once as Collada and once as glTF, so they can verify that everything works as expected. We've taken action and created a small add-on that does exactly that. It exports to both Collada and glTF, simultaneously and without any hassle. The resulting pair of files can then be sent directly to Linden Lab. And here's a quick demo. Let's assume we've created a model for the task. First, select the armature and all mesh objects you want to export. In this case, I'll select the head, the upper body, and the lower body of the character. Then go to File Export Avatar Exporter. In the Export Options panel, select both Collada and glTF. Next, in the File selector, choose your target folder and enter a base file name. Don't worry about extensions. The exporter will add them automatically. Now click the Avatar Exporter button and mischief accomplished. You'll find both files side by side sharing the same file name with the correct extensions, DAE for Collada and GLB for glTF. We've pre-configured the export settings to match Linden Lab's expectations, but since the exact requirements aren't fully documented, we've included an export properties section where you can adjust all settings yourself. If you want to keep your changes, just store them. The add-on will save them automatically. Need to revert to factory defaults? There's a reset button for that too. You can get the add-on from the Avalab Deliveries website. It's made for you, and all we ask in return is give us feedback. If you discover that the defaults need tweaking, let us know. We're happy to improve it. The download link is in the video description. Now go ahead and help Linden Lab get their glTF importer ready. We're all waiting for it. Have a nice day.